Today, I will show you how to make this photo manipulation in Photoshop. Open this image and download link is in description. First of all, we need to remove the street lines. To do that, pick Spot Healing Brush tool and simply remove the lines like this. Now open this image. Choose Move tool. Drag and drop it to main document. To adjust the position, perfectly decrease opacity and reposition the image. And follow the process. Create you a hue/saturation adjustments layer. Click on Clipping Mask icon. Click on this hand icon. Pick a sample from watercolor. And move the saturation slider all the way to the left. Open this image. Drag and drop it to main document. Change blend mode to screen. Decrease opacity to around 70%. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.